all visit the Innovation Tower nearly every day, and we all encounter the panel of multiple light switches every day. Even though we use the same studio daily, it is still challenging to remember the correct switches for lights and air conditioners. With trial and error, we often have to hit multiple switches before we get the right one. This process not only causes frustration, it leads to wastage of electricity, and it also disturbs other students working in the studio. We therefore propose to replace the multiple switches with the switch map system. This display will lay out the switches according to the physical layout of the space. This will allow easy correlation and enable the users to understand the controls at a glance. It will track and record the electricity consumption against the budget allotted to each studio. It will encourage competition among different studios and motivate them through rewards. With this user-friendly touchscreen system placed in every studio, it will be easy to operate the controls. This interface will display the layout of the switches as well as the air conditioners in the room. With a simple touch on the preferred location or desk, the students can operate the lights. This system also gives them immediate feedback with a yellow glow, and the users can switch on just the lights they want. In the same way with natural mapping, the user can control the air conditioners, set temperatures, and get immediate feedback. Apart from just operating the lights and the AC controls, there are other options on the top available to explore. Monthly electricity budget lets the user track the electricity consumption of the studio in comparison to the fixed budget. It can be seen through the infographic that 20% of the budget has been already consumed. Daily consumption will display a record of the consumption of each day of the month. With this, the user can look back and assess the daily electricity usage and identify high and low consumption days. And lastly, the ranking. This will compare the electricity consumption of different studios in the Innovation Tower and provide a ranking. The rank of the studio along with the name and the electricity saved is displayed here. As an example here we see that the Interaction Design Studio is at the second position. Having saved 30% from their budget, 3 trees are planted in the PolyU campus in their name. With this, the money saved through electricity consumption every month goes towards planting trees in the campus while celebrating and announcing the winners. Therefore, the switch map system will not only offer easy controls, it will allow the user to assess and monitor their daily electricity consumption, and also encourage competition among different studios and motivate them to save electricity and make the campus a greener place.